welcome to Mundo Rosa. Today I'm gonna do something really fun. I hope you guys enjoy it, especially in this quarantine season. Maybe you guys are looking for ideas on what to do, or you just don't have anything to do, but stay tuned for what I am about to do. Yes, I will be doing shoe painting. I will be painting the sneakers with acrylics. So it's something that I've actually done before. Like 3 or 4 years ago, I did an anime themed shoe painting whereby I painted Vegeta. Sorry about that. Whereby I painted Vegeta and Goku, for those who know these awesome characters. After that, I really didn't do much of it again. So today I'm attempting to shoe paint. Now, mind you, that this is a whole different type of material, shoe material, so I can say. I don't think you guys can see it very well, so I really don't know how it's gonna turn out. So you guys will be here for the ride, and let's get to it. Before I forget, I'll also mention that during this week I actually tried doing a Black Girl Magic theme painting, and this was the result. I'm not that much of a painter, but I love art and I am self-taught, so y'all gotta be graceful. So I'll attempt to do a similar thing on the sneakers. Not exactly the same, but we'll definitely just have to see how everything goes. So first things first, I'm always sure to place in some newspapers or tissues or whatever I can in order for it to not create any sort of bumps while I am doing the drawings and the painting. So that's something I always do. Also remove the shoelaces. Yeah, those are very important things to do. So this is a piece of dried out facial wipe, and I just used it to tame the rings of the sneakers because I didn't want to be disturbed as I was doing the design of the side. So you can definitely, if you were to do this, you can definitely use the shoelaces, but I just thought this was what I had at the time and I didn't want to stand up. But yeah, that's basically what that was for. called Black Girl Magic theme sneakers, customized by your girl. So I hope you like this one. I hope you like this video. Don't forget, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and share this with your friends. Thank you so much, and have yourselves a lovely quarantine. Have to go out soon. Let me back on noises. Okay. No corona. Hey guys, welcome to Mundo Rosa. So tem coisas in the air. Hey guys, welcome to Mundo Rosa. Oopsies. Yeah, sorry. Our very own so here
You're waiting for?
hmm
What is you waiting for?
yeah
This.